Welcome guys, today I am with POCO X4 GT and I will show you camera tricks. At first, I think that we can start from these volume buttons, volume up and volume down. So as you can see, when you click on the volume up, you will get 2 seconds of this delay on your shutter. The same when you click volume down. If you want to get more time, you can get 3, 5 or 10 seconds. As you can see right here, we got the countdown, and after this time the photo will be taken. Let me just turn it off right now. We can also quickly adjust the brightness level on this device. So all we have to do, just simply click on the screen once and then move this sun icon. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen. If you want to smoothly zoom in and zoom out, click and hold on already selected preset, and as you can see with this slider we can make it just like that. It works really smooth. We can also get more details on our photos by using the 64 megapixel mode. Take a look how many details we can find in this camera mode. That's the HD preview. And of course, I'm going to show you the comparison with the normal mode. Take a look. As you can see, that's the big difference. I think that right now we can smoothly move for the main settings. So you have to click here, tap on the settings icon, here we are, and you can, for example, adjust the volume buttons function. So I just show you that we got as default 2 seconds of the timer, but you can also use them as normal shutter or normal zoom. So with the volume up you can zoom in, and with volume down you can zoom out. It works like a charm. Really smooth. When you go back to the settings, we can also find another function that's the tap to take the photo, and this function allows us to simply click on the screen once and just take photo. So it will be useful for you, for example, when you cannot use your second hand, you cannot click, you carry something, you're holding someone. So yeah, that's how you can make it. When you click and hold, you will catch focus and lock it. And I'm going to show you the last thing that you can find in the settings. So you can simply go for the customize, and you can change, for example, the color of highlights. As you can see, I'm talking about the selected modes and activate modes. So when you activate the HDR, it will turn to the blue. When you activate this color, take a look. I'm gonna tap on the HDR, and there it is. The same for the AI. Okay, so that's all for the POCO X4 GT camera tricks. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.